Unit 2, we're still working on algebra and specifically 2.3 factoring. Okay, what do we mean by factors? If I say 6 times 3 equals 18, then 6 and 3 are the factors of 18. So in algebra, what would that look like? If I had these two brackets, let's see if we can remember how to multiply brackets. First times first is x squared. X times plus 1 is plus 1x, or just plus x. Then minus 2 times x and minus 2 times 1. Now we can see the middle terms are like terms, so we can add them. X squared minus x minus 2. So now x minus 2 and x plus 1 are factors. Of x squared minus x minus 2. So in algebra, our factors would just have variables and could have more than one term because the variable and the constant are not like terms. Right, let's do some examples on how to find the factors. Look at 15x plus 20y. X and y are not like terms, so there's nothing common to them both. But the 20 and the 15 have a common factor. What divides into both? Of 5. So what we do is we write equals 5 and then we still have our bracket. Now you look at your 15 and you say 5 times what will give me 15x. So 5 times 3x will give me 15x. Follow your sign, the plus, and go back to 5 times what will give you 20y. So 5 times 4y will give you 20y. Another example, I'm going to use the 15 and the 20 again. But instead of x and y, I'm going to use x and x squared. Right, so the 15 and the 20 have a common factor of 5. But the x and the x squared also have a common factor of an x. So you can take out a 5x, then do your bracket. Go back to your beginning. 5x times what will give me 15x? I only have a 3 there, right? Check yourself. 5x times 3 gives me 15x. Then go back, follow your sign. Plus 5x times what gives me 20x squared? Or 5 times 4 gives me 20. X times what gives me x squared? X times x. Remember, if you multiply the brackets out again, you should get what you started off with. Right, one more example. 2x squared plus 2x to the 3 minus 12x. So, for the numbers, what divides into all? Only a 2. For the variables, it's no good I've got an x squared and an x to the 3 because the smallest one is simply an x. So I can't take out more than an x. Right, so I start with 2x. Go back to your first one. I've already got the 2. X times what gives me x squared? X times x. Follow your sign. It's a plus. In this one, I've already got the 2. X times what gives me x to the 3? X times x squared. Follow your sign. Now, 2 times what gives me 12? A 6. X times what gives me x? Well, just 1. In other words, you just keep the 6. Right, we will not do factoring of trinomials. It is just the common factor is the only kind of factoring we can do. So that is our section on factoring.